Welcome to the northernmost town in the world. Welcome to the northernmost town in the world. This is where I grew up. City with 10,000 people. Quite a few tourists here in the summer. As you can see, there was just a ship in here. And one of my schools was the big white one over there. And I grew up just behind the mountain over there, in between. City center there.
Are you from Hammerfest?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's very special.
Yeah.
It's very special.
So are you finding a long-time solution for him, or?
No, not really. I think the town really wants to keep him here. So I think that could be possible, but they need to fix some basic logistics to make sure that this goes well and that he's protected. But it's hard to keep him safe because it's so many risks.
The boats.
Yes.
Do you know his age?
Approximately 8, and he is 3.6 meters. He's very calm right now.
And his health seems good, or?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's really. Show your belly. Other side. This way. Here we go. Woohoo! Woohoo! I have no fish left, but no fish left. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo.
You have a page on Facebook or something where you can support him.
So there is Hammerfest, which is a closed Facebook group just for the town.
Yeah.
And then there is Hvaldimir Foundation, which is more like international page. We launched it last week. And now he has his website. So the idea is to raise awareness and funds, because the only way to keep him alive is to get money in. And
Yeah.
so we try to help the town as much as possible. But I mean, this guy is supposed to live long, so I don't know how we can make this sustainable.
I read he can be up to 80 years old or something.
Oh, yes. So it's not only to have a beluga in the harbor, it's a big commitment.
Yeah.
He needs a lot of stuff. He needs to socialize with people, but people who know what they are doing.
Yeah.
He
And
needs
then,
food.
how long are you here for?
I don't know. I've been here for 2 months. I live in Andenes now,
Oh.
but I'm from France originally. And I do a PhD on Norwegian killer whales.
Yeah.
And I used to be a trainer with killer whales in France 6 years ago, so I have some basics in marine mammal training.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is very special.
How close have you been to the killer whales?
Oh, like that. I was working in Marineland, so I've been very close to them for 1.5 years. But I'm more of a science-minded person, so I decided I wanted to be more like doing research on wild ones.
Yeah.
But it was a good experience, and now I'm using my skills with him actually. It's quite funny. You see how fat he is now? He was not like that before. He was very thin, and now he's probably put a lot of weight. It's very good.
How many kilos of fish he eats per day?
About 15 every day, and we push it up to 20 kilos if we see he's hungry. But the idea is to keep him a little bit underfed, then he can maybe start hunting for himself, maybe.
Do you think he's actually catching anything himself now, or?
No confirmation yet. We did put a camera on his back on many occasions with a suction cup. And we can see that he's chasing fish, but we never get to see that he actually catches it. So he has interest in live fish, but it may not be, usually he misses it, so. And also I think if he was really hunting for himself, he wouldn't have been so thin at the beginning. He was a lot like logging in the harbor when I arrived here. And now he's more active, so obviously he has changed his behavior, so I guess it's because he has more energy and he's in a better shape now.
Yeah.
But maybe he will learn, I don't know.
Hopefully.
Maybe, hopefully, in case he decides to take off, he should be able to feed at least.
Yeah.
I have no fish, but we have another feed at 11:30 because Hurtigruten comes in, so we try to do some educational session then. Okay, bud. Yep.
Thank you. you.